Want to switch between car, bike, scooter, or EV mode in the Dasher app? It's now easier than ever. First, open the Dasher app and tap your profile icon. Then select Vehicle and Insurance from the menu. Choose Update Vehicle Type to proceed. Pick your new vehicle mode, car, bike, scooter, or EV, and upload insurance documents if prompted. This flexibility lets you optimize deliveries, use bike mode in busy city centers, or EV mode for eco-friendly incentives. The app usually processes changes within 24 hours, and your earnings will automatically adjust. Remember to keep your insurance and vehicle registration up to date for compliance. When changing vehicle types, make sure your insurance covers the new mode, especially if switching to EV mode, which may require additional battery coverage. The Dasher app uses AI to verify your documents quickly. Different modes also impact earnings. Car mode generally pays more per hour due to speed, while EV mode might offer bonuses in eco-conscious areas. Bike mode and scooter mode are great for quick, low-cost deliveries in dense urban environments. Choosing the right mode can significantly affect your earnings and efficiency. Always verify local laws regarding helmets or vehicle registration for your chosen mode to maintain safety and compliance.